ProjectWise Deliverables Management Portal lets you create deliverable packages from content uploaded from your file system. To create a new transmittal, click the New button and click New Transmittal. At a minimum, every transmittal you issue needs a few things. It is a good idea to save the package as a draft as you complete the steps. You can use any transmittal draft package as a template so you do not have to repeat all the steps each time a transmittal is prepared. A subject line is required. Your package must include a custom purpose. Purpose includes the reason for issuing the transmittal in its name and a set of response options that the recipient can choose from when they respond to the transmittal. A cover letter is generated from a default template that you choose. You can see a preview of the letter before you send the package. If you need to change the letter, you can always save the package as a draft, edit the letter, and then issue it. You will need at least one recipient. Recipients are internal and external users who you have added to the project or invited to participate. The purpose you selected on the General tab determines whether these checkboxes are turned on, so it's important that you select a purpose and any distribution rule before you manually add any recipients. If you're using a distribution matrix, the recipients list is automatically populated. You can add more recipients, but you cannot remove those that are automatically added through the rule. Of course, you must add files. You can add multiple documents using a zip file or upload them individually. When you add them individually, you can create a folder structure and drag files into the appropriate folders. To upload a zip, you must first save the package as a draft. The attribute template is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet in which you will specify the relative file path and appropriate attribute values for each file in the zip. You can set due dates and reminders for the transmittal. In the Planned Issue section, you can select the date by which you would like to issue the transmittal. In the Acknowledgement Due Date section, set the date by which the recipients must acknowledge that they have received the transmittal. Use the days after issue if you want the acknowledgement due date to be a specific number of days after the transmittal is issued. When it's time to issue the package, you can save a draft, you can send for review by internal participants, or you can just select Issue, and after the cover letter is generated, click Confirm to send the package.